Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back to Lin Tech. Hey guys, so ayun nga, kakabalik lang namin from the Digital Walker sale. Let's start. Okay guys, here is our second item. And this is the Marshall headphones with the model name Major FX. Medyo old model na siya, hindi na rin siya available in most stores. And that's also the reason bakit may sale na rin, sinama siya sa sale ni Digital Walker. So here's the front of the box. Tinesting na namin to dun sa store kasi minsan merong mga defective items, so maganda i-test nyo na rin before nyo bilhin. And then here's the side. So it has a microphone and remote microcontroller. Later papakita ko sa inyo what does that mean. And then collapsible na rin yung earphones, yung headset. And then here are the controls and what they mean. So later papakita ko rin sa inyo. And then made for iPhone, iPad, actually made for mobile to. So hindi nyo rin problem yung audio jack. Hindi nyo na kailangan ng adapter. Okay. And here is the back. Major FX. And here's the original price, 5,450. I got it for only 2,500, or basta 50% off. And here's the left side. Here's the top. And just a picture of the item at the bottom. Okay. So, open na natin. Oops. Naka-tape pa yung kabilang side. There you go. Tanggalin natin yung tape. And let's unbox. Here is the item. There's the branding Marshall. Tanggalin muna natin, nakakabit pa siya dun sa medyo naka wire string pa siya sa ilalim. And that's it. So as you can see, ayan, 3.5mm jack. And gold plated, Socialin. And pwede natin kabit sa phone. Ayan. And meron siyang spring, or ang tawag dito, to protect the cable para hindi kagad masira. So ayan, meron siyang support made of what's this, medyo metal or spring type, para at least hindi rin medyo matigas. So flexible pa rin siya, at the same time napoprotect niya yung cable. And then here's the rest of the cable going to the headphones. And before we try the headphones, here's the rest of the items in the box. Ito yung adapter niya for professional use. If ever gagamitin nyo sa studio, meron siyang adapter na kasama for free. And of course, merong pamanual, papapel. So ayan, kwento ni paring Marshall. Ayan, na-enjoy nyo ba yung kwento? And let's open it up. And wala, translations na lang for other languages. Okay. What else? Yeah. So that's the manual. Tago natin. And let's check out the headphones. So starting with the left. Oh wait, starting with the right. Ito pala yung right. So here's the left side. Medyo tight pa siya kasi nga bago pa. Masikip, bago. Uy, na to. So rubber, mostly rubber yung kanyang itong sa may headband. And then here's the Marshall logo and meron lang siyang connector dito. And then where's the microphone? Okay, sorry. Ito pala yung the rest of the cable. So ito yung play and pause. And then if you're using iPhone, yung pala yung isang tip lang, if ever gagamitin nyo siya for Android devices, hindi gagana yung volume up and down nya. Yung volume up and down buttons nya for iPhone lang. Okay? Make sure clear yon at alam nyo before buying this item. Pero at least gumagana itong pause and play button. Ayan o. Oops. Nag-play. Napindot ko eh. Ayan. So, ayan. Pipindutin ko yung pause and play. Kita nyo? Okay. And then, for the rest of the headphones, ito siya. Pakita ko sa inyo yung texture. Ayan. Ayan, meron siyang texture. And then ito, rubber. So medyo kakapit lang kasi medyo ano na siya eh. Since luma na siyang design, medyo sticky na, so dumidikit na yung mga pwede na dumikit yung mga damit or strands. So medyo madali na siyang maalikabukan. So yan lang. Pero itong foam niya okay naman. Wala pang cracks. Okay, and here's inside the headband. Oops. Dr. Jim Marshall OBE. And on top, nothing. Medyo may texture rin yung headband niya. Leather texture. And then Marshall detail again dito sa left and right ng headband. Focus natin. Sorry. Ayan. Kita nyo ba? So same lang rin sa left side, meron rin ng Marshall na logo with gold like plating. Okay. So I guess that's it. Try na natin gamitin and let's check out the audio. So how was it guys? Okay ba yung sound? And then for adjustments and mahatak nyo lang rin siya, ganun lang rin. Medyo madali naman siyang i-adjust. Ayan. Same with the other side, ganun lang rin. So isa lang sa nakikita kong complaints regarding this headphones, ito medyo masikip lang yung headband niya. So kung malaki yung ulo nyo, pag matagal nyo na siyang suot, medyo masakit na siya sa tenga. Lalo na kung meron kayong suot na glasses or nakasalamin kayo. Ayun, medyo sasakit lang sa tenga kasi nga mahigpit yung kanyang headband. So kung medyo malaki yung ulo nyo, ayun, medyo yun yung isa sa mga reason kung bakit hindi nyo magugustuhan itong headphones na to. But aside from that, maganda yung sound quality niya. Actually, nung tinest ko pa lang dun sa store, ayun, nabigla ako kasi first professional headphones ko rin to. Usually kasi gusto ko earphones lang. Ayoko nang nagdadala ng malalaking headphones or bulky headphones. Pero maganda naman kasi dito. Ayun, madali siyang nasa store. Ayun, pwede mo siyang i-fold. So, ayun, at least medyo ano lang siya. Ayun, hindi siya ganun ka-bulky. Ayun. So, ayun, madali lang siyang ilagay sa bag. At least medyo naka-fold siyang ganyan. So, hindi rin siya ganun ka-bulky. Ito yung dulo niya. So, ayan. Ganyan lang siya. Diba? Parang kamay lang, oh. Diba? Maliit lang. And, I think nasa picture rin siya. So, ayan. Ganyan lang siya, oh. Diba? So, ayan. At least medyo compact naman siya. Kaya, bumili na rin ako. And, 50% off. So, okay na rin. Not bad for the price. Okay, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If may questions kayo or comments, iwan nyo lang sa comment box below. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and quick review of the Marshall's Major Effects headphones. Take care and God bless guys. Thank you for watching again. Keep safe. God bless. Bye.